Electronic devices are designed to work in a variety of scenarios, from the more common one, like a house or an office, all the way up to the extreme conditions of the deep of the ocean or even in space. When creating an electronic device, a set value of operating temperature and pressure is provided. The user, many times, might push the hardware above and beyond those limits, and the hardware might behave unexpectedly. It's important to monitor and gather information about the temperature and pressure of the environment. The Tactigon board provides a useful function for this job. Let's see how it's done. First of all, go to the tool window and check if Next Board, USB serial and Tactigon are selected. Then choose the right COM port. Now we're going to include the Tactigon env library. This library contains all the necessary functions that we're going to need. Then we will be declaring the env meter and env data handlers. Those will be used to gather information about the temperature and pressure around the Tactigon board, and later on display the data in a serial terminal. In the main loop, we're going to update the env data container with the measured env meter data. This is done with the envmeter.getData function. Once we've opened the serial terminal, we can see that the measured temperature around the Tactigon board is about 23 degrees, and the average pressure is about 1009 millibar.